In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in Xero. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly record your costs and keep your accounts up to date. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account and looking at the main dashboard before we begin. First, from the dashboard, look for the main menu at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Purchases. This is where Xero keeps anything related to money your business spends, such as bills and expenses. Go ahead and click on Purchases to open that section. Once you're in Purchases, you'll see several options related to what your business is buying or paying for. Here, look for Expenses. This area is specifically designed for expense claims and everyday spending, like travel, meals, or small purchases. Click on Expenses to move into the Expense Claims page. Inside the Expenses section, you should see a button or link that says New Expense. This is what you use whenever you want to add a new cost to Xero. Click on New Expense. This opens up the options for creating a new expense entry. Next, you'll be asked what type of expense you're creating. Select Expense Claim. This is typically used when you or someone on your team has paid for something personally and needs to be reimbursed, or when you simply want to record a one-off expense. Click on Expense Claim to open the expense form. Now you'll see a form where you can fill in the expense details. Take your time here, because accurate information will make your reporting much easier later. Enter things like the payee or supplier, the date of the expense, a clear description of what it was for, and the total amount. Make sure you choose the correct account or category, such as travel, office supplies, or meals, so the cost is reported in the right place. If applicable, select the correct tax rate. And if you have a receipt, this is usually where you can attach it as a file. Double check everything for spelling, amounts, and dates. When you're happy with all the details, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see options to either save draft or approve. If you're still confirming information or if someone else needs to review it, choose Save Draft. If everything is final and ready to be recorded in Xero, click Approve. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in Xero, keeping your records accurate and up to date.